Good day everyone, I'm Joven Altura from BS Cream Treeco. Today, I will discuss the differences and similarities of juvenile delinquency and RA 9344, also known as the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006 and Prevention Act of United States of America. RA 9344, also known as the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006, is a Philippine law that aims to promote the welfare and protect the rights of the children in conflict with the law. This is the key provisions. Minimum age of criminal responsibility 15 years old raised from 9 years old. Juvenile Justice System establishes a separate justice system for minors focusing on rehabilitation and restorative justice. Diversion programs encourage diversion programs to divert minors from formal court proceedings. Community-based programs emphasize the community-based programs for rehabilitation and reintegration. Parental involvement requires parental involvement in the juvenile justice process. Child-friendly procedures ensures child-friendly procedures and facilities for minors in conflict with the law. Protection from abuse protects minors from abuse, exploitation, and neglect within the justice system. The Juvenile Delinquency Prevention Act in the United States is a federal law that aims to prevent juvenile delinquencies and improve the juvenile justice system. Here's an overview. Key provision: prevention focuses on preventing juvenile delinquency through community-based programs and services. Juvenile justice system reform aims to improve the juvenile justice system by promoting fairness, equity, and rehabilitation. The institutionalization encourages the removal of minors from institutional settings and promotes community-based alternatives. Sight and sound separation requires the minors be separated from adult offenders in detention facilities. Disproportionate minority contact reduction aims to reduce disproportionate representation of minority youth in the juvenile justice system. Goals of Prevention Act of United States of America: prevent juvenile delinquency, reduce the occurrence of juvenile delinquency through prevention programs and services, improve juvenile justice, reform the juvenile justice system to promote fairness, equity, and rehabilitation, reduce recidivism, decrease the likelihood of minors reoffending upon release from detention or completion of probation. Here's a comparison of the Prevention Act of the United States and RA 9344, Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006 of the Philippines, and juvenile delinquency. Similarities: 1. Focus on rehabilitation. All three emphasize rehabilitation over punishment for minors. Separate justice system. Each establishes a separate justice system for minors distinct from the adult criminal justice system. Prevention. All aim to prevent juvenile delinquency through community-based programs and services. Protection of minors' rights. Each ensures that minors' rights are protected throughout the justice process. And dito naman tayo sa differences. Age of criminal responsibility. Prevention Act of United States of America, 10 to 12 years old. RA 9344 in Philippines, 15 years old. Juvenile delinquency varies by country, state. Punishment versus rehabilitation. Prevention Act allow for more punitive measures. RA 9344 focuses more on rehabilitation and restorative justice. Juvenile delinquency varies by country, state. Due Process Prevention Act provides extensive due process protection for minors. RA 9344 ensures child-friendly procedures and facilities. Juvenile delinquency varies by state and county. Funding and Resources Prevention Act provides substantial funding for juvenile justice programs. RA 9344 relies on government funding and support from NGOs. Juvenile delinquency varies by country, state. And ito naman ang key provision ng Prevention Act. Prevention focuses on preventing juvenile delinquency through community-based programs and services. Juvenile justice system reforms aims to improve the juvenile justice system by promoting fairness, equity, and rehabilitation. The institutionalization encourages the removal of minors from institutional settings and promotes community-based alternatives. And key provision of RA 9344. Minimum age of criminal responsibility 15 years old. Juvenile justice system establishes a separate justice system for minors focusing on rehabilitation and restorative justice. Diversion programs encourage diversion programs to divert minors from formal court proceedings. Juvenile delinquency, the key principles. Parents Patria Doctrine. The states act as a parent to protect the rehabilitate minors. Best interest of the child, the primary consideration in juvenile justice proceeding. Rehabilitation, the primary goal of juvenile justice rather than punishment. Due process, minors have the right to fair treatment and protection under the law. And everyone, yun lang po. Maraming salamat.